from the law of Philippines versus USA. Okay?
And
That's what
she
James
needs
is
to have
still
facts
doing.
before she starts
That's why
jumping on here and
have
saying
a
anything.
case. So never listen.
Sa comments lang naman yung nagmamarites hindi naman tayo.
Of that person
Jay, did you see my text message I sent
I can be a
you?
lawyer here in TikTok. We can be what we can.
Jay,
Mabubuhay pa kami sa mga
did
tips
you
mo.
Because this
see the message I sent you
shit, like everyone
on
here
TikTok?
talking shit. Okay? You need to listen
Tell 'em,
first.
Gold Digger.
Judge people and accusing. Be productive.
Tell him, Gold Digger.
If you concern Angie that you say don't have money, that's why you don't take. Everyone